Hey guys, Dr. Mike here, and today we're talking about a powerful herb that can do wonders for your health, Summer Savory. You know I love sharing natural ways to boost your well-being, and this herb is a hidden gem. We're diving deep into its benefits, from soothing digestion to fighting inflammation. Make sure you stick around until the end because you won't want to miss this. Let's talk about digestion, something I know many of you struggle with. Indigestion, bloating, cramping, they're the worst. Summer Savory can be a game changer here. It actually stimulates your digestive enzymes, which helps break down food more efficiently. Think of it as giving your gut a helping hand. And if you're prone to gas and bloating, Summer Savory has carminative properties, meaning it helps reduce those uncomfortable symptoms. So if you're looking for a natural way to ease digestive discomfort, Summer Savory is worth trying. Now, let's talk about inflammation, the root cause of so many health issues we see today. Chronic inflammation can wreak havoc on your body, leading to everything from joint pain to skin conditions. The good news is that Summer Savory is packed with natural anti-inflammatory compounds like rosmarinic acid and flavonoids. These powerful antioxidants help combat inflammation at the source, promoting healing and overall well-being. So, whether you're dealing with an inflamed gut, achy joints, or skin irritations, adding Summer Savory to your diet could make a world of difference. Chapter 3. Packed with antioxidants. You hear me talk about antioxidants all the time, and for good reason. They're crucial for protecting your cells from damage caused by free radicals. We often think of berries and green tea as antioxidant superstars, but Summer Savory deserves a spot on that list too. It's rich in these powerful compounds that fight oxidative stress and protect your cells from damage. And some studies even suggest that antioxidants may contribute to slowing down the aging process. Who wouldn't want that? Chapter 4. Natural antibacterial and antiviral properties. Summer Savory has been used for centuries in traditional medicine, and for good reason. It has natural antibacterial and antiviral properties, making it a great ally for fighting off infections. Think of it as a natural shield for your immune system. Some studies even suggest that Summer Savory may help combat common colds and even prevent certain bacterial infections. So, next time you're feeling under the weather, consider adding some Summer Savory to your meals. Chapter 5. Supports heart health. Taking care of your heart is essential, and Summer Savory can play a role in that too. It contains compounds that help regulate blood pressure and cholesterol levels, both of which are crucial for maintaining a healthy heart. By promoting better circulation, Summer Savory reduces strain on your cardiovascular system, keeping everything running smoothly. Adding a sprinkle of this herb to your meals is such a simple yet effective way to support your heart health. Outro Summer Savory, nature's hidden gem. So there you have it, Summer Savory, a true gift from nature. It's incredible how such a humble herb can have such a profound impact on our health. From aiding digestion to fighting inflammation and supporting heart health, this herb is a must-try. Have you ever used Summer Savory before? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss out on my latest health tips. Stay healthy, everyone.